So lads got cut off there. Let's go back to there. What's this tab? Yeah, as I was saying, a lot of these, again, I'm just trying to come up with some stuff that might be pretty tough, might be pretty main. They've got a little bit of a thought process behind them. Like, again, if you see anything, if you see, I know there's shitloads going on social media at the minute, people doing this type of stuff in the living rooms, in the back gardens and stuff, fire them through to me if you think it's going to be beneficial, or you've done it and you thought it was tough, and I'll bang it in this one. Saw this one today off a lad who I know. It's a pretty minging one. And again, I'll just try and keep uploading these as best as I can. Again, there is thought process behind it, but I haven't got like a full bank and set one of these going at the minute. Just click out of here. These are the individual strength ones that I've done today. For everybody that I know took some equipment away. I'll add something in this exercise videos tab in the next day or two. But again, I've just tried to put things down here that you can do with the equipment that you've got. I know we didn't give you a full bank of stuff, we didn't give you a full gym's worth of stuff, but I know the lads were good enough to come in and grab some dumbbells, and by all means, these are the things that we could, the things that you could be doing. This is set up as a 4-day cycle, which should be pretty easy enough to get through, 2 upper, 2 lower. Some lads have tried to put some power in there, try to individualise it as best they can. Lads who need a little bit higher volume to lads who need a bit of strength stuff. And just try to figure it out that way. Again, these are all easily amended. If you don't quite know what the exercises are, but again, I'll put the videos in there. If you're not quite happy with 1 or 2 exercises, you've got wrist that I've forgotten about, shoulders not quite compliant, again, just give us a text message and we can add something new in there. And that basically, lads, is about it. Back into that. Again, this is probably your main one. We've got no control over a lot of things that's happening, and that goes for everybody in the country. But the one thing that we can control on this one is what shape you come back in. These were your goal weights that I'd like you to come back in at, and these are your body fats. These are your last recorded body fats. I've just got to fill these ones in for the lads who got them done the week before we left of the whole FC week. These are your goal body fat targets, and these are the ones that you're unacceptable. If you come back in over here, boys, be really upset. The one thing that we have got a lot of control about is how much we train and how much that we're what we're buying in food wise at this time now. The easy thing is, and I've found this, is that if you're bored in the house at the minute, the easiest thing is just to eat or have fucking 14 brews in the daytime with biscuits and whatnot. That's just as is life. So you've got complete control over what food that you're getting in there, and how much discipline you're going to have to keep on top of that one. So this is the main one. Everybody's just trying to come back in at their goal body fat, or well with below this unacceptable range that we've termed here. If we can do that, we'll hit the ground running going back into the season, and obviously that's going to be probably going to be quite congested when we come back in. So there's going to be, and we're not going to have much time to have any if any pre-season period before we go back into games. So coming back in body fats wise is imperative, and obviously I think everybody can know for how well everyone's done in the meantime that and it's definitely going to pay off in games. But again, just anything that you need in the meantime, again, it's just a text message. I can upload as much as I want to this one. I can individualise it. If you've got a set pitch, a set running track or something like that, and you want me to periodise on the back of, just let me know what that looks like, and I'll be able to do that. I'll get it knocked up in an hour or so and get it straight back to you and get it uploaded to this, or I'll fire it on the different tab in this worksheet. But yeah, I'll try and keep in touch with everybody. Send you a text message in a week just to see how everyone's travelling. There'll be a few more tabs. So Dan's going to do a diet one, Moggy's going to do a rehab one, and all those will start getting uploaded in there. And then we'll just try to build a bigger picture of what everyone's week looks like and try and get as individual as possible. But in the meantime, keep us posted and see you soon.